Does the sight of holiday decorations have you already thinking about everything that's coming up? The events, the family gatherings, the meals, the presents, the pressure. And part of you is quietly bracing yourself. Even though it might be early in the holiday season, you're already feeling the buildup. You don't have to hustle your way through the holidays this year. I'm here to talk about something different, and I'm going to share 3 steps to unwind the hustle before it even starts. So it's about pausing before the holiday train takes off and deciding how you want to feel, what you want to protect, and who you want to be during this season. If we haven't met, I'm Sherry Beery. I'm a nationally board certified health and wellness coach. I'm a speaker and author of It's Your Turn, and I help midlife women rebuild their energy, rhythms, and purpose after years of putting everyone else first. So if you're feeling stuck or unsure where to begin, you can start by finding out what's fueling or draining you right now. You can take the free midlife spark type quiz that I created and uncover the spark you need in this season of life. So, what's your spark type? Are you the giver, the reclaimer, or the seeker? Let's find out. I dropped the link below. So, let's start here with 3 steps to unwind the holiday hustle before it even starts. So, number 1, check in with how did you feel last year? Before you want a single thing, ask yourself what left you exhausted, if it did? What felt forced or heavy? And what do you want to make space for? We can't change what we don't name. So we just want to create this awareness around this so that you understand what do you want to be different in your holidays and whether it's how you feel or the experience of this. So, number 2 is asking yourself, what do I want this season to feel like? So, not what do I want to get done? What do I want to prove? Or how do I want to feel when this is all over? But that's what we want to anchor into. How do you want to feel in this season? When it's all over, said and done, do you want to feel peaceful, present, connected? So let that answer guide your decisions. And number 3, protect your nervous system. This is something we don't talk about enough in midlife, especially in midlife. And as moms, we're not meant to sprint from Halloween to New Year's, but that's what we do, right? So what would it look like to block off a day just for you? Say no to that one event that drains you. Limiting your time that you're spending with people can help refuel you and being able to spend that time. What about spending 10 minutes in bed just quiet? And how about let's make the season magical for you too, not for everybody else that you're trying to do this. So this starts with small steps. I call them the snack size steps because we can't do everything. If we're trying to change everything, nothing changes. So just creating this. And this is why I created this quiz. So you could see, where are you running on fumes? Maybe you're craving more purpose or meaning. Maybe you want some clarity. In this quiz, the Midlife Spark Type quiz, it's free and it just takes a few minutes to take. So drop in there, and after you take the quiz, you get your type. And it is really a fun spot where you can get some tools, and I share more in the resources there. And then if you want something to be different, something that nourishes you instead of drain you, you may want to check out the Design Your Midlife workshop bundle I created. It's really a pause. It's a self-paced reset that helps you get clear on what matters. There's about a 60-minute video. There's a guide there, a blueprint to own your next season, and you can really get clear on what do you want to do to move forward. So check that out. The resources are below. So let's let the season of holiday be no more hustle, no more guilt, no more burnout. Let this be your turn.